We remember, my grandfather was a brave soldier in a big war a long, long time ago. He wore a special uniform and marched with his friends to keep everyone safe. My grandmother was a kind nurse in the same big war. She wore a white apron with a red cross and helped all the soldiers who were hurt. She was very gentle and caring. Today is a very special day. It is November 11th, which is also called Remembrance Day. It is a day to remember all the brave soldiers like my grandfather and all the kind nurses like my grandmother. On Remembrance Day, everyone wears a pretty red flower called a poppy. The poppy is a special flower that helps us remember the soldiers and nurses. The poppy reminds me of my grandparents and all the sacrifices they made. It reminds me of how brave they were and how much they loved everyone. At 11 o'clock in the morning, everything becomes very quiet. For 2 whole minutes, everyone stops what they are doing and thinks about the people they love and miss. Sometimes, people read a poem called In Flanders Fields. It is a beautiful poem, but it can also make you feel a little sad. It helps us remember all the people who are not with us anymore. On Remembrance Day, we all wish for peace in the world. We wish that there will be no more wars and that everyone can live happily and safely together. I am very proud of my grandfather and my grandmother. They were heroes, and I will always remember them. And every year, on Remembrance Day, I will wear my poppy and remember all the brave people who helped to make the world a better place.